Hello, welcome to Guangzhou DEMA. Today, I'll show you our client's advanced spray coating production line. Here, we begin at the manual loading area. This is where operators carefully place each product onto the line, ensuring they're positioned accurately for processing. Next, the products enter the dust removal area. This crucial step cleans each item thoroughly, removing any particles that might affect the quality of the coating. Now we move into spray zone 1. Here, our automatic spray nozzles apply the first layer, ensuring an even and smooth coating. Following the initial layer, the products proceed to spray zone 2. This stage allows us to add additional coatings or colors, achieving a customized finish. Once spraying is complete, the products enter our tunnel oven. This high-precision oven cures the coating, making it durable and vibrant. After curing, the items cool down in this cooling zone. This step stabilizes the coating and prepares each product for final handling. Finally, we reach the manual unloading area. Here, our team inspects each product and carefully packages them for delivery. That's our advanced spray coating production line at DEMA. Contact us to learn more about our customizable solutions.